Just arrived at nearby Slade Harbour, which is just over a mile from Hook Lighthouse. So it's barely 5 minutes to drive. And it's actually my first time here. So it's quite a little compact, cosy and scenic harbour. So let me show you around. And little did I realise, there's even a small castle here just overlooking the harbour. Now I wonder what's in here. Very dark and dank. Ah, it goes down even further than I thought. So let's keep going till we can go no further. And this is right by the harbour. So I wonder what this was used for. Unless it's part of the castle, remains of it. Right, let's get out of it and explore the outside whilst we still have the late evening light. And I'm hoping for a lovely sunset. Well, at least now you know that you're not really allowed to camp there overnight. Now if you step to the rear of the harbour, you see this lovely coastal walk, and from the looks of things there's a lovely scenic route back to Hook Lighthouse. Just carry on walking in that direction, it'll take you all the way around, I'd say for a couple of miles at least. Now check out all these lobster pots. Are they called lobster pots? I'm not sure. Well, they use them to catch lobsters. Ah, the stink off them as well. So you can tell that they're in regular use from it. Now doing a bit of a sweep of the harbour from the other side. And you can see it gets a bit more rugged once we go beyond the harbour wall into the wild county Wexford coastline. And I think that way goes towards Kilmore Quay direction once we're beyond the Hook Peninsula.